If you're a property manager or landlord, you know how overwhelming it can be to juggle rent collection, maintenance requests, tenant communication, and leasing, all while trying to grow your business. But what if I told you there was a way to automate all of that for free? I'm Sydney, and today we're diving into the best free property management software available. We'll break down what to look for in a great platform, the must-have features for modern property managers, and why MagicDoor is the smartest choice for AI-powered automation. Let's get started. Before we jump into the best option, let's talk about what you should look for when choosing property management software. A great platform should offer automated rent collection, no more chasing payments or tracking who paid what. Maintenance management, a system that helps handle work orders and vendor coordination. Seamless tenant communication, text, email, and instant messaging all in one place. AI-powered efficiency, automation for repetitive tasks like listing properties, screening tenants, and handling tenant questions. Transparent pricing, no hidden fees, long-term contracts, or expensive add-ons, and of course today, free, because we're looking for free software. Now, many property management tools claim to offer these features, but they usually come with a price. Many property management platforms can charge hundreds of dollars per month and require minimum unit counts, making them costly even if you're just managing a few properties. And that's where MagicDoor changes the game. Unlike other platforms, MagicDoor is built from the ground up with AI automation, meaning it doesn't just store information, it actively manages tasks for you for 100% free. No subscriptions and no hidden fees. MagicDoor offers a fully free plan that includes all the essential features property managers need, no unit minimums, no onboarding fees, just seamless property management. AI-powered rent collection. MagicDoor tracks payments automatically, sends rent reminders, applies late fees, and ensure tenants pay on time. Tenants can pay via ACH, credit card, or debit card with auto pay enabled for set it and forget it payments. No manual tracking, no chasing rent. Automated maintenance management. AI-powered runbooks triage maintenance requests, troubleshoot issues, and assign vendors automatically. It even creates a group chat with the vendor and the tenant so you don't have to play the middleman. 44% of maintenance requests on MagicDoor are handled entirely by AI without property managers needing to step in. AI communication. Tenants can text MagicDoor's AI anytime to ask about rent, lease terms, or maintenance requests. AI translates these messages instantly and summarizes conversations so you never waste time on repetitive questions. 30% of tenant communication is handled by AI, freeing up your inbox. One-click AI-powered listings. MagicDoor writes and publishes rental listings automatically, pulling market data to optimize performance. 91% of listings are posted without human edits. Tenant screening and leasing automation. AI scores rental applications from 1 to 100 based on credit, income, and rental history. MagicDoor provides a summary for each applicant so you can approve or deny with confidence. It even handles the lease renewal automatically. 70% of renewals on MagicDoor require no manual input. With all these features built into one platform, MagicDoor is the most advanced and completely free property management software available. When choosing property management software, it's important to understand the differences between MagicDoor and other platforms. While many tools offer basic automation, they often come with hidden costs, limited features, and outdated interfaces. Here's how MagicDoor stands out. Other softwares offer automated rent collection, but may charge extra for payment processing and late fee automation. MagicDoor provides a full rent collection automation, including reminders, late fees, and payment tracking for free. Other software requires manual maintenance requests handling, or costly add-ons for vendor coordination, or maybe even a separate tool and login entirely. MagicDoor uses AI to triage maintenance issues, troubleshoot problems, and assign vendors automatically, all in one place. Other softwares may require multiple logins and third-party tools for tenant communication. MagicDoor has AI-powered tenant messaging, instant translations in any language, and automatic responses. Other softwares may charge for listing syndication or requires manual input, where MagicDoor automatically generates and posts these listings. Other software may have complex onboarding processes and lengthy training requirements. They may not be intuitive or easy to use, but MagicDoor is simple, intuitive setup, and most users are up and running in hours, not weeks. MagicDoor combines all essential property management tools into one AI-powered platform without subscription fees, hidden costs, or complex integrations. It's the smartest, most effective way to manage your rentals. Getting started with MagicDoor is incredibly simple. Here's how it works. You can create your free account, sign up at magicdoor.com, import your properties, or we can even help with your migration. You'll connect your bank accounts through secure transactions with Plaid and Stripe, and then you'll let the AI take over from rent collection to maintenance. MagicDoor starts working immediately. No complicated setup, no learning curve, and most users are up and running within hours. We even have an entire playlist of tutorials and a self-onboarding guide. It may seem too good to be true, but the truth is that the property management industry is falling behind and the technology needs to catch up. That's where MagicDoor fits in. We are changing the entire industry by offering a revolutionary AI automated property management software for free. Any property manager, any landlord, investor, whoever you are, can use MagicDoor to track your properties for free. So if you're a property manager looking for a smarter, more efficient way to manage your rentals, MagicDoor is the best free option available today. With AI-powered automation for rent collection, maintenance, leasing, and tenant communication, MagicDoor saves you time, cuts down on busy work, and lets you focus on growing your business. If you're ready to see the magic for yourself, you can sign up with the link below or go to magicdoor.com to start automating your property management today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.